Hey guys, how are you? Oh my God. So I literally actually cannot believe after so many months that on Monday, November the 1st, my web store is going live. And what does that mean? It means that is the first day that you will be able to start ordering your TLC meal kits. So the purpose of today is to give you a short and sweet video about all things how to order TLC meal kits. All right, so starting Monday, you will be able to head over to my website, which you can see displayed here, www.tlcholistic.ca. And you're gonna see on the toolbar, it's gonna say, order your meal kits. So there's actually a drop-down menu, and you'll be able to see the TLC meal kits for the week. So these will be on a rotating basis. And remember, this is a pilot project. Just one girl doing it alone right now. And as you know, all kidding aside, I'm balancing my private practice client loads, which is my #1 priority, the TLC community. So for now, you're gonna see a weekly rotation of about 3 different meal kits a week. Again, you'll be able to select your meal kit. You'll be able then to go in and select the size, whether you're doing a single serving, whether you're doing a family serving. All of the ingredients will be listed in there, all the information that you need. Also on the drop-down menu, you will see a selection of vegan cheeses from the one and only Green Goddess. So should you want to add some of those vegan cheeses into your meal box, you can select whatever ones you like, boop, put them in the cart. And you're gonna see a third tab, which I haven't really talked about yet, and is pretty exciting. I had a lot of requests. What about breakfast? What about breakfast? Breakfast is a hard one for a lot of people, so I will be slowly starting to build up some breakfast items in there. So you'll be able to select, from those items as well and put them in your cart. So like usual, once your cart is all full, you check out, you pay online, and guess what? You have ordered for the week, and step 1 is complete. So let's talk a little bit about timing for this pilot project, okay? So this is for right now. Things will change as this vegan meal community grows, which I'm very excited about. So orders will open every Monday at 8 a.m. Okay, the web store will be updated, and you will have until the Wednesday at 8 p.m. to get your orders in. And that is while quantities last. Things might sell out quicker. So if you want your goods, I suggest logging on Monday and getting the shopping done and putting them in your cart. All right, so Monday, order opens. Wednesdays, ordering close. And then we're gonna talk a little bit about picking up your goods. So right now, these meal kits are going to be available exclusively for pickup at Green Goddess. And right now, this girl right here is going to be the one at the pickup point. So it's exciting for me too, because I'll get to see all of your beautiful faces in real life when you come and pick up your meal kits. So the pickup window will be every Sunday from 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. So a reminder, and this is all over the website as well, if you're not able to pick up on Sunday between 3 and 5 p.m. and you're not able to pick up in Green Goddess in Guelph, do not order these meal kits, because this is the only way they're available right now. Don't you worry, guys. I got a lot of things up my sleeve. I have a lot of beautiful ideas for this to evolve, but right now at this time, this is the only way that you're able to access and pick up your meal kits. So guys, that's it. We are just a couple days away from my launch. I am so excited. I am so excited to watch this intentionally grow. I have beautiful visions for this in the future, beautiful visions for expansion, and I just want to be able to make your life a little bit more easier, bring you some food that is easy to heat, eat, and assemble, and that you can trust. Basically, anything that you're gonna find in the upcoming, TLC meal kits, in the breakfast items, the cheeses, these are all items that I would eat myself. They are me tested, they are me approved, and I hope that they make your life a little bit more easier and allow you to spend less time in the kitchen when you're tired, when you're stressed, when you have plans or when you just don't want to be in the kitchen. So take care, guys, and I'll see you next Sunday when you're picking up your meal kits. Bye.